Hello guys, today in this video I gonna show you how you can earn $5 to $10 per day from Adsterra. Before that, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon. This is my new Adsterra account and I just do some self-click on this account and I earn 14 cents and I will get $1.23 CPM per click. Create a new Chrome window and I will give all the links in the description of all the extensions I have used in this video. You can install them from there. I am opening for tabs here and then clicking auto and setting the time to 30 seconds. I am selecting Windows and Firefox in the random agent use generator. Then open the VPN and select Netherlands IP address from here. Because CPM in Netherlands is always very high. Then open the auto refresh class extension and click on the start button. Now you can see that there is no enemy proxy detector text and running ads. You can keep 10 to 20 tabs open if you want. And this cleaner is completely anti-even because your IP will change automatically after every 30 seconds. As you can see, PT has changed automatically. I am using the process for just 1 minute, and you can see here I am CPM more than $1.